What is good, YouTube, and to my sneaker world family? It is your guy once again, JUDL12, aka Bubba, and I am back with another quick review. And guys, as always, before we get started, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy, and also do not forget to smash that notification bell for upcoming videos. And always, guys, thank you for the love and support of the channel here at the Bubba Files. And I just appreciate all love and support. And we are on our way to 1,000 subs. We haven't forgot about the goal. Let's continue to get there. And guys, I cannot get there without you guys. So those that's been supporting, and to the new subscribers, welcome aboard. Welcome to the family. And let's get into more heat. And tonight I have, as you all already see, I have the Jordan 1 High Homage to Home. This would be the Jordan 1 High NRG Homage to Homes, non-numbered. And now, those who don't know, we back at April 21st, they had the release of the Chicago numbered pairs that was limited to 2,300 pairs. That was also 160. And you have the non-numbered here that that were also a retail price of 160. So for those who, well, my little inside joke and what I've been calling these since I've received them, I call these the Harley Quinns, the Batman animated series Harley Quinn, not the Suicide Squad Harley Quinn, but the Batman animated series, of those who rock with Batman animated series, the Harley Quinn that says, okay, Mr. J, she had, it's an inside joke. So if you if you don't know what I'm saying, definitely go Google that and look it up. You're inside joke, but to all my comic book people out there. But these are insane, man. I've been hearing people get on YouTube talking about, man, the quality on these are trash on the non-number, blah blah blah. Man, these are dope. The quality on this shoe is very nice, very nice. And I'll give you guys a 360, a good look at these a little closer. But I mean, this leather on here is very buttery. Look at this. Yo, man, salute to Jordan Brand and Nike. I think this is a dope shoe, man. I absolutely love this shoe. And this is going to get rocked like ASAP. But as you can see here, we have your two colors here on your tongue. White side here, black. Shout out to the stamp right here, the Nike Air stamp. You have your split here. I know a lot of people didn't like that here. The split right there. Leather seems very good on here. These are very nice, very soft. This is very good quality on these shoes. You have your band or your bread side here, and you have your Chicago on the other side. And these are very dope. Your insole, got your Nike Air right there, size 10, of course. Back of your tongue. And like I stated before, I got these off of Nike sneakers out. We got receipts right there, sliding. There you go. But this is a very dope pickup, man. Very dope. Very happy to add this to the collection, man. So you get two sets of laces also. You got your red and your black. But guys, that right there, I mean, these are insane, man. So guys, do not forget to drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Homage to Homes. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I will sign out here. This has been JUDL12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.